Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show all the web3 users and cryptocurrency users a way you can actually protect your wallet from hackers and scammers that are out there. So because there has been a lot of complaint in the crypto space about people losing their passphrases and wallets to scammers and hackers. So this has been a pressing need, complaint and problem in the web3 space. So but there's actually a way that you can actually secure your wallet, at least add an extra layer of security to your wallet that is going to make it difficult for scammers and hackers to actually hack it. So this method is actually called the two-factor authentication method. So how this works is once you activate this method on your wallet, it means for every transaction you're trying to make, you're going to be authenticating the transaction. Like you're going to be getting a code that will be sent to your email, and with that code you use the code from your email to authenticate the transaction. So that way it's going to make it difficult for scammers and hackers to actually hack your wallet, because of it's going to be difficult for them to get your wallet access and also get your email access at the same time to authenticate the transaction. So when you add this two-factor authentication on your wallet, it's actually going to add another layer of security to your wallet, and which is going to make it difficult for scammers. So with that said, let's actually dive into the video. To do this stuff, activate this stuff, you actually need to be using a web3 wallet. Although you can use any other wallet like the web2, but it's actually preferable or best to use a web3 wallet like the MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet, any other. Like for this video, I'm actually using Trust Wallet for this video now. So it's a web3 wallet. That's what I'm going to be using for this video. So anybody can use either Trust Wallet or MetaMask or BitGet, or you can still use your normal browser though, but it's actually better to use a web3 browser. So when you open your wallet, like your Trust Wallet, the way I'm doing now, you need to go to the browser section. So I'll click on this discover to go to the browser section on this Trust Wallet. So once I come to this page now, I need to search this website. It's called web3.co. So I'll be actually leaving the link to this website in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in the front of this screen. So for those of people that want, it's actually web3.co. So it's going to be displaying in front of this screen. I'm also going to be leaving it in the description of the video, so you can go there and actually check it. So here is the home page for web3. So it's one of a secure way to actually, one of the authentication methods to actually secure your web3 wallet. This is one of the tools you can actually use. So once you come to the home page, I need to just scroll down to almost the bottom. So you see where they put the start authentication. So to actually do this stuff, you actually just need two things. You need your email address and then your passphrase. So your email address is going to be where you're going to be receiving the codes on, and then your passphrase is going to be what you're going to use to link your wallet. So these are two things. I've actually copied my passphrase on my clipboard. So that's just the two things you need. Once you come to this website, just scroll down and come to the start authentication, and now click on start authentication. So now it's going to bring you to where you're going to authenticate your wallet. So just like I told you, what you just need is your email and then your passphrase. So I'm going to input my email here. So this email is going to be where I'm going to be receiving my codes from. So you need an email that you actually use, that you have access to, probably your personal email, your main email. So that's actually what you need here now. So I'm going to put in my email. So that's my email. Then I've already copied my passphrase, I told you guys. So I'm going to paste my passphrase on this passphrase field now. Then I'll paste it. Please, I'll be blurring this side because I wouldn't want anybody to be seeing my passphrase. So once I'm done with just my email and my passphrase, the only thing I need to do now is just click authenticate wallet. And once I click it, my wallet will be linked to this email. So it means anytime I'm trying to make any transaction from this wallet, I'm actually going to be getting a code on this email to authenticate the transaction. So which is actually the best way to actually safeguard my wallet. So once I put in my email and I put in my password, I'll just click on authenticate wallet. So it's going to take some time, and so that is it, guys. I have actually authenticated this wallet right now. So before I will make any transfer or any transaction on this my wallet right now, I'll need to get a code from that his email I just sent now. So they're going to be, Auth Pro is going to be sending me a code anytime I'm trying to make a transaction. Right now, I just have activated this two-factor authentication now. Anytime I'm trying to make a transaction, Auth Pro is going to send me a code, and with that code, I'm going to use it to authenticate the transaction before I would continue with the transaction. So that is it, guys. That is just how easy it is to actually activate two-factor authentication on your wallet. So I would advise everybody who is using Web3 to actually activate two-factor on their wallets, because nobody knows when your wallet might be hacked or when you can lose access to it. So you know that you still have a second layer of security on your wallet. So that is it for this video, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this about Web3 and cryptocurrencies. See you guys in the next video.